Hey everyone, it's Amy from PSS, and we're going to do Create with Amy. Today I'm going to show you how to use PosterArtist to create a poster from scratch. So we're going to pull up PosterArtist, and when you open it, you'll have a new poster that's blank and ready to go. So under number 1, you can select your template. So I'm going to choose a banner. All you have to do is double click and it will open up your template. If you want to create a new poster, you go to File, New Poster. If you want to change the paper size, you go under number 2, Paper Options. Under Page Size at the top, A2 is going to be your half-size poster. If you change it to A1, that is your full-size poster, which is 23 inches by 33 inches. You can also change it to landscape or set a custom size. If you unclick Maintain Aspect Ratio, you can create your poster in any size that you would like. Your poster paper is going to be 24 inches wide. So if you'd like to create a square, you can change it to 24 inches on both sides. To start editing your poster, you go under number 3, Edit, and your first option will be Photos. Here you can drop down the categories and choose from any of these images to add into your poster. And all you do is double click. If you hold down Shift while you drag, it will keep your proportions correct. If you would like to add an image, you hit Add Replace, and it will pull up your files. There you have options where you can remove the background, crop your image under Trim, change the gradation and add highlights, and then retouch your image. You can also add frames. The frames that have color around them can all be customizable. To delete images, you can right-click Delete, or you can make sure it's selected and hit Delete. Next, under Clip Art, you have categories for your clip art, or you can scroll. Your clip art can also be customized. You click and drag, and you will see your ABC box come up under your cursor. When you unclick it, it'll pull up a blue box, and then you can start typing. All of your text that you insert is going to be customizable. So if you highlight it, you can change the alignment, change the font, change the font size, change the line spacing, change the character spacing, and change the colors. If you would like a custom color, you click Custom under your text colors and add in your numbers. You can also bold, italicize, underline, and create bubble letters. If you would like to add a shadow behind your text, you can click Shaded Text and add a drop shadow. If you would like words going down, you click the T with the down arrow for vertical text. And it will write your text down. If you want to rotate it, you click the green arrow and you can rotate it. If you would like to add a shape, you go under Shapes under 3 Edit. There's Line, Rectangle, and Ellipse. If you would like to add your own background, you can add a rectangle. You can change the opacity, which is the fill-in color, and you can order it to the back. You can also change the line type from dots to lines and add a drop shadow. You can also change the line color. You can change the corner shape from rounded to square and change the line thickness. To arrange your items, you right-click, go under Order, and you can send it backward and forward. If you'd like to add a background, you go under Backgrounds under 3 Edit, and you have categories that you can choose from. All of your backgrounds can also be customized. Then you go under number 4 Print, and you can choose your print quality and your check print preview before printing. Then all you have to do is hit print and you're ready to go.